Hi everyone, this is John from the Little Blue Skiff. I am at Highbanks. This is October 28th, 2024, and this is what the boat ramp looks like still from Hurricane Milton. Completely underwater, even though Hurricane Milton went through on October 9th. So almost a good almost 3 weeks. Here's some footage, probably at the same spot where I filmed when the water was not as high. I'll put the footage side by side, show you the difference. But basically the yellow railing there is where the dock actually is to launch your boat. This is high. And then looking down the St. John's. Still flooded. And it's been about 20 days since the hurricane. It takes a long time for the St. John's to go down. I'll walk over. It's a floating dock. Normally it's way lower than this. It's a good flow of the river. Just looking back at the boat ramp. Just looking at the just panning around, looking at the St. John's. There's a good flow current going through, which is draining the St. John's to Jacksonville, but no boats. There's some sandhill cranes enjoying the breeze. Look down the St. John's River. Oh, there's a red shoulder hawk sitting on this post. Let's see if I can get him against the light. Sitting there majestically. Now I'm panning around. Again, this is Highbanks. Near the boat ramp. Boat ramp's completely underwater. This is the 28th of October, and the hurricane Milton came through October 9th and 10th. So the St. John's River drains very slowly. It only descends maybe an inch per mile. So the water takes a long time to go down and get back out to the ocean in Jacksonville. Thanks for joining me. I'll try to get the boat back in the water as soon as I can find a ramp that's open. Until then, take care, everyone.